Hey everyone, as you all know that today is World Environmental Day and it is celebrated on 5th of June every year to aware the people about the importance of nature. I would like to start with a quote. Once William Wordsworth was right in saying that nature never did betray the heart that loved her. The thought of World Environment Day took shape during United Nations Conference on the Human Environment from 5th to 16th June in 1972. As an outcome of the conference, it was decided that a World Environment Day would be celebrated to raise awareness about the impact of human activities on the environment. It seeks to provide global platform to environmental cause and elevate the protection of the environment by bringing governments and people together. For this, the UN assigns a specific theme for the events every year. I would like to tell a few of the World Environmental Day themes of previous years. The theme of 2020 was Time for Nature. Similarly, in 2019, the theme was Beat Air Pollution. Another interesting fact is that every year a country is selected to host the events on the theme. You would be proud to know that India had twice hosted the World Environmental Day, first in 2011 and then again in 2018. In 2011, the theme was Forests, Nature at Your Service, and in 2018, the theme was Beat Plastic Pollution. This was little bit information about the Environmental Day. Now, as we all know, it is no hidden fact that our environment is affected largely due to human activities. It is facing threat at an alarming rate. We have overexploited nature due to our greeds. This has caused the natural imbalance. How we can still do something and protect our environment from all the damages. We must plant more and more trees, throw garbages in the dustbins, and avoid using plastic bags, etc., as it is important part of our ecosystem. So it is our duty to make a clean and safe place to live. We should know our every step and action impact on the ecosystem to live safely and without fear. It is our responsibility that we take care of our whole ecosystem. Thank you.